Hello folks, I just now received my Omen 16, so thought would do an unboxing video. As I ordered it directly from HP's online store, I did get a backpack, which is the Omen transistor bag. This is the 2022 model with the latest and greatest Intel's 12th-gen i7-12700H processor with 14 cores, a 115W RTX 3060, 16 GB of DDR5 4800 MHz RAM, and a 1 TB Gen4 SSD. As you can see, the keyboard here has a numpad, whereas many reviewers have pointed out that the Omen 16 lacks a numpad. I'm not sure if HP has updated the keyboard in the 2022 models or it's just something which we get here in India. I'm also trying to do a short overview of this laptop, so stay subscribed. Alright, thanks for watching. Ciao.